People are increasingly looking for ways to make money online, but apart from requiring little to no initial investment, these methods allow you to work from anywhere on a flexible schedule. Often, all you need is a computer or a mobile device and a strong internet connection to get started. As a result of the COVID pandemic, many new jobs were created at home, and the number of people buying and selling goods online increased as well. We've compiled a list of 10 online money-making ideas to help you get started in this lucrative industry. This video, hopefully, will inspire you to start your own online business. The following is a list of the top 10 online money-making methods. Number 10. Take online surveys. It may seem too good. You can earn extra money by taking surveys online in your spare time. Many businesses pay people to take surveys in order to conduct general market research and analyze consumer behavior. These surveys assist businesses in making business decisions such as which products to launch or where to place advertisements. Here are some popular survey sites. Swagbucks. Here you can earn points, watch videos, play games, and complete online surveys, then exchange them for cash or gift cards. Survey Collector. At Survey Collector, you can start participating in market surveys which can help brands deliver better products and services. Online Harris Poll. You have to answer polls on the survey platform if you want to take part in a rewards program. Number 9. Sell stock photos and footage. Consider selling stock photos and footage to generate passive income if you're an avid photographer or a videographer. You'll be able to pursue your passion while also earning money. Many businesses and entrepreneurs use stock content in their marketing campaigns, advertisements, and websites. Companies are constantly looking for new ideas and unique perspectives to differentiate their brand in addition to the standard stock photo format. Sign up for online marketplaces and list your photos there as well. This way, you'll get a head start on cultivating your personal brand while also promoting it to potential buyers. Shutterstock Photographer, Getty Images, and Video Hive are some of the most popular stock photography and videography websites. Earnings are determined by the number of items sold and whether you sell solely on the platform. Exclusive contributors can earn more money with rates that can be obtained upon request. Number 8. Sell second-hand items. Selling or renting out used items is another great way to make money and a great motivator to begin decluttering your space. Furthermore, because you're only selling items you already own, selling used items can be a cost-effective way to save money. Take high-quality product photos after you've inventoried the items that you want to sell before listing them on online marketplaces. If you intend to do this in the long run, consider creating a website to host your own online store. Clothing is one of the most popular second-hand item categories. The second-hand clothing industry is expected to be worth $77 billion by 2026. As a result, now is an excellent time to launch your own clothing line. Tradesy, Etsy, and Rebel are a couple of examples of platforms that allow you to sell one-of-a-kind handmade or vintage items. Also Depop is a popular online marketplace for selling vintage and designer items such as pre-owned t-shirts, sneakers, and jewelry. And the Facebook Marketplace is ideal for reaching out to local buyers. Number 7. Sell school notes. One of the simplest ways for students to make money quickly is to sell copies of school notes. However, by selling school notes, you must ensure that you're not committing plagiarism or academic misconduct. Do not, for example, reveal assignments or tests, and avoid distributing copyrighted material. Selling notes containing general but insightful information about a subject, such as modules, flashcards, and study guides, is the safest bet. Note Exchange, NotesGen, and OneClass are some of the best places to sell school notes online. You can also sell notes for between $5 and $40. Number 6. Carry out micro-jobs. Try micro-jobs to supplement your income. A micro-job is a short-term, temporary job that pays on a per-task basis. On average, earnings range from a few cents to $50 per task. Micro-jobs are an excellent way to make quick money. Some micro-jobs can be completed in less than an hour, allowing people to do multiple tasks in their spare time. They are ideal for freelancers, recent graduates, and college students because they can assist you in gaining experience and developing a portfolio. Blogging, short translations, data entry, and administrative tasks are among the most common online microjobs. Try looking for microjobs on the following websites. Fiverr, one of the most popular platforms for small jobs ranging from logo design to translations. Mechanical Turk on Amazon, a fantastic platform for those with video, image, and data entry and processing abilities. Appen, make money online by performing simple tasks such as data transcription and categorization. Number 5. Sell art and designs. One of the best ways for artists to make money is to sell digital products. List your works on art marketplaces such as DeviantArt and ArtStation. This is an excellent way to gain exposure in the creative online community and connect with potential clients. Alternatively, sell your own artwork and designs through another sales channel such as your social media account. As of January 2022, Facebook had 2 billion plus monthly active users and Instagram had 1 billion plus. With such numbers, these platforms are ideal for increasing exposure. Selling on social media is an excellent way to make quick money. Start selling on Facebook Marketplace, for example, and promote your products by joining groups and interacting with potential buyers. Alternatively, you can sell on Instagram by activating the Instagram shopping feature on an account dedicated solely to your artwork. Increase your sales by posting your artwork on a regular basis, writing engaging captions, using hashtags, interacting with larger accounts, and following users who share your interests. If you use a marketplace like ArtStation, you can earn up to 95% of your sales. Selling on your own social media profiles, on the other hand, allows you to keep up to 100% of the profit. Number 4. Try mystery shopping. If you enjoy shopping, becoming a mystery shopper is a great way to supplement your income. Mystery shoppers are hired by retailers and market research firms to shop at specific locations and report on the overall consumer experience. They examine customer service, store conditions, and product quality without the company's employees knowing. You can do mystery shopping from home. Some jobs, for example, involve evaluating the shopping experience at an online retailer or testing the service quality at call centers. Some of the most popular companies where people can sign up to be mystery shoppers are as follows. Market Power. Market Power gets hired to try out products and services at grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, and even gas station convenience stores. Best Mark. At Bestmark, you become a field representative or evaluator to assist businesses in improving their operations. The Secret Shopper. This website allows you to conduct on-site or telephone service evaluations for businesses all over the world. The payment for mystery shoppers varies according to the company. You can get reimbursed for the items you purchased, receive vouchers and gift cards, or earn between $10 and $25 on average for each job completed. Number 3. Test games and apps. The video game industry is expected to be worth $583.69 billion in 2030. In addition, video games have the largest market share in the global digital media market. As a result, many opportunities for users to make money online by testing games and other apps have emerged. Some games or apps such as Mistplay require players to complete specific tasks in order to earn in-game currency rewards. These rewards can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Keywords Studios' global beta test network compensates people for playing games before they are released. Other online games, such as Giveling, offer cash prizes. Beware of platforms that use games and apps to disguise scams aimed at stealing personal information and bank account information. While they offer an easy way to make money online, check reviews and ensure their legitimacy first. Number 2. Do voiceovers work? Voiceover work can be financially rewarding. Voiceover jobs are usually project-based, so a long-term commitment isn't necessary. Voiceover talent is in demand. Audiobooks, ads, trailers, tutorials, guides are some ways to make money with your voice. Audio guides enhance the visitor experience in museums, galleries, travel agencies, and tourist destinations. Voice-over earnings depend on experience, project type, and script length. Voice-over artists in the US average $31 per hour. Experienced audiobook voice talents can make online money up to $200 per read hour. Create a profile on Upwork and respond to voice-over job ads to get started. Freelance websites are a great way to compare jobs. Join Voices or ACX to connect with voice-over clients and audiobook authors. A talented voice-over artist can bring any script to life. Audiobooks require a consistent narrative voice, excellent articulation, and character voices. Set aside a few hours to read sample scripts and determine which niche suits your voice and style. Knowing your strengths will help you find clients. Investing in a good microphone and recording software is essential for this job. When recording audio, minimize background noise. Number 1. Test websites and give feedback. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. You must have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication skills, and knowledge of website functionality and design to test websites. These characteristics can boost your job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project-based, and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy. User testing, for example, charges between $4 and $120 per test. Website testers who participate in live client interviews earn more money. Here are a few more marketplaces where people can earn money online by performing website testing projects. Uber Testers. Uber Testers is a crowdsourced testing service focusing on websites, mobile apps, and games. User Brain. It's an online tool for testing the user experience of websites and digital product prototypes. Testbirds. When you sign up for Testbirds, you have to test the user experience of digital products such as e-commerce stores, mobile apps, and fitness trackers. Userlytics. It offers projects focusing on reviewing video commercials in addition to testing websites and apps. TryMyUI. TryMyUI tests the impressions for websites and mobile apps using recorded videos and surveys based on your feedback. Let us know which ones you've tried in the comment section. If this video is helpful and enjoyable to you, don't forget to subscribe to us. Have a nice day.